Studying for an upcoming exam can be a daunting task. Try these 8 tips and strategies to help you ease test day jitters. Plan, don't cram. Gradual, consistent studying will boost long-term memory and decrease burnout. Study in an environment that makes you feel relaxed and comfortable with limited distractions. Test prep services and materials can give you a clear roadmap of how and what to study for. Most services include study guides, interactive lessons, videos, and practice tests. One of the best ways to study for an upcoming exam is by taking practice tests. Through practice tests, you'll have a better understanding of the test format and types of questions while identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Micro-learning can be fun. Short burst learning sessions that help you boost memorization and increase healthy study habits. This is a great method for people who are on the go or have busy schedules. Formula cheat sheets are not allowed for many exams, so it's important that you memorize any formulas that will be needed to solve questions. For the days leading up to your test, avoid test day anxiety by doing things that help alleviate stress levels. This could mean something different for everyone. If you get stuck on a question, move on to the next, but don't forget to revisit the question later. If you're unsure of the correct answer on a question, eliminate any of the answer choices you are positive are incorrect. This helps reduce the possibility of getting the answer wrong. Most importantly, go into test day with confidence and remind yourself that you've properly dedicated time preparing for this.